Hey everyone, welcome to Coffee with My Sunshine. Today's video is just going to be a part of our budget kitchen renovation series, and we're going to be installing a couple of our upper cabinets. Yay! So if you're interested in seeing us do that, please stick around.
Alright, I'm going to need both of you.
Do you know where you're drilling? Like, is it marked in the cabinet?
It's marked underneath, so when I get this up, I'll be able to see.
Okay. And they go straight all the way up?
They go straight all the way up. Once I get the ones underneath marked, and once I get like 2 or 3 in, we're good.
Okay.
It'll hold on that and the ones that I put there.
The only reason I asked is that one video I saw the guy marked down on the inside.
I will once I figure out left and right. Yeah, then move this out of the way and then you stand right here. This is lighter than the cabinet. Yep.
Can I push it back here?
Yep.
Sorry.
I want you here. Okay, that's the eye. No. Okay, ready? I got step on. Are we against the wall? Okay, it needs to come this way.
To the left?
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna bring it outside the TV. How are you with these?
Good. I don't know where it's supposed to be, but looks good.
Let's take over a little bit more.
So deep?
Yeah. Go ahead and step back and then take a look. Because it can go anywhere. What? Is it bad?
No. I think it looks fine, but I don't know what you're playing with. Let me hold it and you look.
No, it's wherever you want it to be. And that's it. It really is.
I guess it could go to the left. I wanted it kind of actually to line up with this.
Okay, let's do that. So how much farther over does that go?
My son helped us with lifting it and moving it back and forth. We had to keep wiggling it from left to right just to get it in the exact right spot. We wanted it lined up with the lower cabinets. For right now, we're just filling the cabinets with the stuff that's in our sunroom because we have a bunch of our old kitchen cabinets in the sunroom. That was kind of our second kitchen while we've been remodeling. But we wanted to put some of the stuff we'll need for our family that's coming in for the holidays. So I will be doing probably some rearranging, and I can do a video on that if you guys are interested. But for now, we're putting the plates and coffee mugs and everything in the cabinets, and the coffee stuff's going to be moved eventually when we put the coffee bar in over by the chalkboard wall. And my son and my husband ended up putting the upper cabinets above our stove in while I was at the grocery store, so I didn't get footage of that. And right now he's just drilling the holes and stuff for our microwave so we can put that in. I can do a kitchen tour so far video if you guys would like to see that. We have everything in above the stove now, and so all we need is the upper corner cabinet. My husband's going to be working on that. So if you guys would like to see how it's come along so far, let me know in the comments below. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas holiday with your friends and family, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!